Knowing what to look for in a new HVAC system is important for making sure you're getting a system that works for your home. Otherwise, you could spend money on a system that isn't really going to get you the services you need. Keep watching. Considerations. When shopping for a new HVAC system, there are a few things you should look out for. Some of these include the size, capacity, and type of heating system, the size, capacity, and type of cooling system, the energy efficiency of the system, how noisy the HVAC unit is, what maintenance it requires, and how it affects indoor air quality. Before signing any agreements or committing to any purchases, be sure to look for these factors. This way you can make sure you're getting an HVAC system that's truly helpful and can keep you warm all winter long and cool during the summers. Service calls. Regardless of whether you have a Trane, Carrier, Lennox, Rheem, or another type of HVAC unit, there are some common issues you might run into. Any of these issues could mean you need to get your HVAC system replaced. At HVAC Service Cost, we make sure that you're getting the support and assistance you need to get these issues taken care of and your HVAC system replaced. Contact us today and we'll get you the best quotes for HVAC replacement for any of these reasons and more. Our HVAC prices. When you need an HVAC replacement, you don't want to be paying large fees. And at HVAC Service Cost, we get you some of the lowest pricing for HVAC replacements that there are. In the US, the national average to replace HVAC systems is $7,000. But these costs can range anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000. That's a hefty chunk of change to worry about forking over to your HVAC team. The good news is that HVAC Service Cost helps you find prices that are on the low end of this scale. We'll make sure you're getting affordable HVAC replacements so you can enjoy a home that's always heated and cooled to perfection. With us, there's no need to worry about paying high HVAC fees. Instead, we'll make sure your HVAC cost is kept below the national average at all times. Are you ready to get some quotes for your HVAC replacement cost? We're ready to help you out. Here's our simple process for hooking you up with HVAC replacement prices in your area. Step 1. The first step to working with HVAC Service Cost to get an HVAC estimate is to get in touch with our team. You can do so using our contact form. We'll be at the ready to get you taken care of and hooked up with amazing pricing for HVAC replacement. Step 2. Next, it's time to input your service details. You'll need to let us know where your replacement will take place, if you need a repair or an install, and how soon you need help. This will help us be able to find and identify the lowest HVAC replacement teams that cater to your needs. Step 3. Once we have all the info we need, it's time for us to get a quote. We'll send our team out to hunt high and low so we can get you the lowest HVAC quotes in just a few minutes. From there, you'll have all the details you need to compare and contrast companies so you can go ahead and schedule your HVAC replacement. Get in touch today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.